Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss when we should be using DAX or where DAX excels. So, where does a DAX excel? It is extremely good at aggregations, which means gathering information and showing in summary form for the purpose of analysis. And DAX is really great at data filtering, setting conditions so that only certain data is displayed. Now, DAX actually operates on the tabular database, and it uses the column store or it uses a different technology to store the data. And this technology is really good at data aggregations and data filtering. So if you are looking at doing a lot of summaries and you're looking at filtering the data and looking at different options, DAX is great to use. It is very fast. It is a lot faster than using SQL under the hood with large volumes of data. Now, so DAX is really good with aggregations and data filtering. And when do we use DAX? So we use DAX when we want to define KPIs. So DAX gives us the formula language where we can define certain formulas and which we can so we can define certain measures and we can compare them against the actual result sets. So DAX really shines there. DAX comes with its own time intelligence function, so it is great at historical analysis. And DAX is also great at slicing and dicing data. Because DAX uses columnar storage, slicing and dicing of data is really fast. Plus, it also uses some aggregator and iterator functions, which we will cover in the later module, which enables us to slice and dice data a lot faster. So this is the scenario where we should use, and previous one was where DAX excels. So in this video, we discussed when to use DAX and the usage of DAX formulas. I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you enjoy what I'm doing. Thank you.